Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. So this is a 3 weeks candle from Bath and Body Works that I bought, and then I would like to suggest to you, and if you're interested to maybe probably to have it, so let's do the unboxing. So this is the packaging and the name. Just a moment before that. The name, just a moment. Yeah. It's also a white bond nature. It's an Apple Orchard Lane. All right, it's a white bond nature or Apple Orchard Lane. So yeah, okay, this is the packaging. So first, the let's take out. All right, and then this is the candle, 3 weeks, and the front. Approach lane, fragrance by nature. Okay, then behind nothing. Oh, just one suddenly. And if you, yeah, this. Yeah. Okay, this is the whole thing. Apple Orchard Lane. So it's a fresh autumn apples, sandalwood trail, and cinnamon bark. So what I can say, the smells is really apple, and also it's like if you walk in the street under the maple trees, it smells like that. Smells nature, and it's nice, I would say. So if you're interested to buy this product, I'm gonna leave the link below the video. Thank you very much for watching. Dior Shaari here. Bye bye.